Welcome to my channel, LionCodingInTheAttic. Today we're looking at Unit 11, MongoDB Data Modeling Introduction. This is part of my 30-day challenge, trying to complete the introduction to MongoDB course within 30 days. So here we'll learn the basics of data modeling, the process of defining how data is stored, and the relationship among different entities in your data. Okay, so I've just watched a video on data modeling. So they talked about the schema, which is the structure of your data, and they've introduced the idea of the flexible data structure that we have in MongoDB, and we sort of come from the application asking ourselves how our users will access the data, and then model and create and organize the data accordingly. Whereas in relational databases, we create the data and then we give our endpoints to the front end people to use. So let's have a look at this through the lab. Okay, there was not much to be done in the lab. There's just an introduction to the IDE. I guess it's because I've just started a new unit. Okay, let's go through the quiz then. Yeah, it's more data modeling. It's more related to the relationship between the data that exists in our data. Okay. Which of the following are benefits of the proper data model? A proper data model makes it easier to manage your data. Yeah, that's true. Proper data model makes querying more efficient. It's true. All that applies. So this one. A proper data model uses less memory and CPU. I guess it would, because it would be more effective. A proper data model reduces costs. They haven't said anything about that. I'm not sure. Oh, this one was correct as well. Okay. Yeah, I guess it would reduce costs if you use less memory and less CPU, less computing time. So that would make sense. Which of the following is a benefit of the document model? The document model does not enforce any document structure by default. This means that documents, even in the same collection, can have different structures. Yes, that makes sense. That's what makes data flexible. The document model makes having a schema useless. No, what they said it was that the schema was flexible. The document model supports only simple relationships among data to make data wrangling easier. Don't know what wrangling means, but I think that's wrong anyway. Oh, no, I did not pass. I need to retake the quiz. Okay, let's do this again. Go. Oh, no. Okay, there we go. All right, guys, that was a short lesson, so I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one if you want to see lesson 2. See you soon.